Podcasting structure. When we are organizing a podcast, we want to think about how we are presenting the information and the content. So at the beginning of a podcast, it is great to start with a greeting that brings your listeners in, welcomes them. For example, you could say, "Good morning, hello, welcome to." After your greeting, then you want to introduce yourself. Who are you? Are you part of an organization? Are you in 4th grade? Are you part of ASFG? Where are you coming from? And you can introduce what you're going to be talking about. Today we're going to talk about science topics, or are you going to do something that's talking just specifically about you or opinions you have? So what it is that you are going to be talking about. Next would be the content. Say what you want to say. That would be all the information that you have to give. And then at the end you want to transition. That lets people know that you are done with your content and you're moving to closing the podcast up. So, well, that's all for today, or that concludes our podcast for today. And then at the end, sign off. You can say, "Have a great day. See you next time. See you next week. Thank you. Goodbye." So whenever we are thinking about writing a podcast, we want to think about those 5 pieces in the structure so that a listener can feel like they are part of the story. Now it's your turn to try creating your own podcast with that structure.